Here's a certified 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLE. It's the dictionary definition of a premium SUV. In it, you'll get lasting luxury and constant capability. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Automatic transmission. Automatic with driver control suspension management. Engine auto stop-start feature. Hands-free liftgate. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Wi-Fi hotspot. Dual zone climate control. Streaming audio. Power tilting steering column. Memory exterior door mirror settings. And intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz. High style, high performance. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,